Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? What's new? What's going on? How is life? Tell me all of that in the comments. Let's quickly get to the point. What is this video about? This is just me having fun with YouTube so that I can be more consistent here. You know, with any piece of content that I have been putting in years, mostly in my mind, I know like what I'm gonna put in this particular video. For this, I don't have any plans. I thought that I'll do just some random talking, address some random questions that I get here and there on Instagram, give you my basic life updates, and show you a few things that I've got recently. So yeah, that's that. I still think एक flow तो बना ही लेना चाहिए था because now where do I start? But yeah, okay. So today is a Friday. I'm done with my office meetings and stuff. It is 4 p.m. and I still will work a couple of hours in the evening mostly, or during the night. But like I'm taking like a 1 hour break, so I thought I'll just utilize it. I'll start with this. Okay, I've read this somewhere long back, or I don't know, मुझे कभी किसी ने बोला था, yeah, whatever. But this is in my mind. I don't know how true it is, but किसी ने मुझे बोला था कि your hair actually has a lot of your personality traits. Like it affects your personality traits. People with straight hair, they're like very, easy to influence, or like they're gullible, like not in a bad way. And then with people with curly hair, like it will take some time for you to convince them for something. I don't know, कोई claim नहीं है कि कितना सच है कितना नहीं. But to justify everything that is wrong with me, it's my hair, I get influenced very easily. And I think it's been some time जहाँ everyone just started talking about West Side, how good the collection is and stuff. So I bought a few things from West Side. I'll show you one by one. And why I tell you that this is purely influence. Like in my mind, West Side was always like Zudio, but we shopped. Speaking of brands, I used to shop a lot from H&M. And over time, what I have realized कि उनके जो t-shirts है, like the basics that they sell in 300 or 250 whatever, जो बिल्कुल कम prices पे वो बेच रहे, don't never buy that. Never ever buy that because वो एक wash के बाद बिल्कुल पोछा बन जाता है. Like some pieces are obviously good, it's not bad, but जो बिल्कुल ही वो कम प्राइस पे बेच रहे होते, I don't know what they are doing with their quality, but like don't get that. Like मेरे तो mostly सारे tank tops and वैसे जो पतले पतले tees है वो एक wash के बाद पोछा बन गया. तो so for basics I have at least shifted from H&M, and I found out that Uniqlo actually has very good quality. Like in the recent past, I've ordered 3 trousers for them. I so love them. I've posted about that on Instagram as well. But yeah, let's start with the West Side haul and then a few things here and there. Okay, so first is this shirt. Ooh, wait, mic. Where is my mic? My mic is still here. Yeah. Okay, so first is this one with this tie-up detail. I love the material. I absolutely love the silhouette and I love the color. I'm not sure if it's still in stock, but jab bhi aaye, please get this. I love the pieces that you can, wear in an office setup, outside office, everywhere. Like with pants, it would be perfect for office. With a skirt, it's like a great summer outfit. This is looking a bit creased क्योंकि मैंने एक बार already ये पहन लिया office में. And speaking of that, I'm so bad with keeping my clothes. Like the way I treat them is horrible. It's pathetic. Like I'm so good with keeping my house clean, everything in place and stuff. The moment you open my wardrobe, it's like a hurricane in there. I don't know if it's a Leo thing. Leo because according to my Kundli, my mom says ki I am this thing. I am Singh Rashi, which is Leo. Wese if you go by birthday, I think Libra or something. But I think I have more Leo traits, so we'll go with that. Because at times my decision making is so effed up. Like once I know what I want, then that is done. But until the time I don't know what I want, I'm so confused at times, and that happens every time I get ready. I will try at least 3 to 4 clothes, and obviously my wardrobe has everything stacked. तो मैं एक खींचती हूँ और सारा ऊपर का बाहर आ जाता है. My sister has told me on numerous times कि बहन ऐसे उठा, ऐसे निकाल, but no, I'll just anyway. So yeah, in short, I love this. 10 on 10 points. Okay, next is this blue striped shirt. It's not very long, which I like. I generally like fitted shirts more. I had like a blue striped shirt that was oversized. Let me close the button so you can see the fit. The fit here is good. I think यहाँ पे it could have been better, but like ठीक है यार. Very appropriate for office. This is how it looks. The quality is nice. I do have one more office shirt. See? I wore it and then this is how I keep it. This is not cotton. I think this is polyester with like satin feel. Like it is comfortable to wear. Again, stripes because I'm obsessed with stripes. Wait, I'll show you my bed sheet as well. See? Next, I love this so much. It's like a dress, but it has that summery boho vibe. Wait, let me try it on. This is how it looks. I don't know how to show it to you, but yeah, it's well above the knee length. Look at the detailing. It is the dress for summer, and I've ordered like a bigger size. And in general, as I'm growing up, this is a change that I've been observing. When I was in college, there was a time when I went to 43 kgs, and I'm 5'2", and for the major part I have been wearing excess. So when I came to Hyderabad and I was in a better place in life, I actually stopped meticulously counting calories, and back then I was starving myself like full cuckoo. So when I came to Hyderabad, not even Hyderabad, I think when lockdown happened and I actually gave control of my life to my mom, then things got better. And from 43, obviously when I came to 48 49, उस एक डेढ़ साल में I gained a lot of my weight back, which I shouldn't have lost. तो 48 49 जब हो गया तो I went to S, and when I saw myself sizing up, it got to me and I'm like, oh my god, I'm fat and all. And किसी brand में जिसका already S पहनती थी तो M जाने लगा, and when I used to see M, it would hurt me like, oh my god, I'm wearing M. So things like that. So what I'm trying to tell is, now I still mostly wear S, but like I'm not afraid to get an M, and decisively. In fact, I like wearing loose clothes. So I think that's a growth, that's a thing to be happy with your body. And like, even if you are unhappy, don't hate yourself, don't be so harsh on yourself. You can always keep working towards your goal. Like abhi I am also trying to lose some weight, not weight, actually I am trying to lose my fat, because my body fat percent is, oh my god, it was too much. And I know why it happened, because I was going through a hormonal imbalance. Like my TSH levels were very high sometime last year, so I had to fix that. I consciously worked towards keeping a check on my stress levels and all of that. Yeah, even I am working towards losing some body fat, building muscle, getting stronger. But that doesn't mean that I'll just be hard on myself or like I'll bash myself. I know in Indian culture, negative reinforcement is a big thing. Everyone does it and they think it's normal, and it works for some people, but at what cost? Hating yourself. I'm 100% pro for working towards being the best version of yourself, but during that process too, you have to be that gentle, kind person, human, for yourself and for others. So that is that. Okay, next piece. I'm sorry to everyone who was just here for the haul. Okay, anyway, I should rush a bit because it's 4:20 already and I have a waxing appointment today. I have to be there. Okay, next is this off-shoulder dress. It is also cotton. I think it's quite flattering. I love it. This is the length. And this is how it looks from the front. Very summery, very light. I can actually wear a top over this and this would act like a skirt. So yeah, again, I can style it in multiple ways. I love it. एक और चीज़ है, these slippers. So I don't have a lot of slippers that go with the ethnic or like boho outfits. I have been eyeing this brand called Fizzy Goblet for a while, but I'm not able to justify yet like spending 7 to 8k on something which I won't wear a lot. Like I love wearing kurtis and all these boho outfits, but I don't have a lot of them. And how much is this for? I think yeah, it's $14.99 and this looks so pretty. It would go with a lot of outfits, even this one. So yeah, that's all for Westside. I also recently got this bag. This is from Mango. I mostly open Myntra just to look at Mango's new collection. I love this brand. Even the quality is so great. Plus whatever they have to offer in terms of style, I love it. This one is so chic. Like I didn't have anything like this. And the color is so versatile. It would go with a lot of my outfits. See? Even this. Currently this is my favorite bag. And next I also got this magnetic phone holder from Amazon. This is how it looks. It is the vacuum. It would work in like a glass or marble base. It is like you just have to lock it like this, and this is magnetic. I don't know what all you can see. And yeah, this is magnetic. You can put like your phone here and you're good to go. You can use this in your car as well. That is why I ordered this in the first place. जब मैं कार में जा रही होती हूँ, मुझे वीडियोस लेना होता है and विवेक की कार में कुछ है नहीं ऐसा होल्डिंग वाला जगह, तो I just try to keep it in the dash and वो गिरता रहता है. मेरा फोन वैसे भी बहुत गिरता है, but yeah, I think that is why I got it for. But then I used it at my home in different places like my kitchen, my washroom, a lot of other places, and especially for the top angle POV videos, it works great. I'll link this one. This is a boat neck top with detailing on the waist. I absolutely love such tops because I think they flatter my body type. This one is from H&M. Also, I got this trouser. Yeah, much better. I love such textured pants and the color is beige. I think great for summers. And then I also got this tank top which is padded. I think you might have seen this in one of my reels. The fit is so great. This one is also from H&M. I haven't washed it yet, but I think this one was from the dry move section, so it shouldn't go bad. Plastic. Wait, I want to wear it and show it to you. And there we are again. Nobody had to know. Copyright aa jayega. This quad set, I mean, how cute. It has frills, it has a waist detailing. The skirt, which is actually a skirt. I just love this. I'm just waiting for Vivek to take me on a date where I can wear this, and my bag. Oh, speaking of Vivek, you guys ask me so many questions about him, and then why do I not make videos with him? Because he is, sorry, my phone got off, I put it in charge, and that's why the frame changed. Okay, where was I? Yes, about Vivek. So the reason why I don't post about him, I know he's not a social media person. He does not like being around camera, and it's not like he asks me not to post about him. It's just that I understand that, and you know, we both are like that, and I think this is one of the best parts of our relationship. Like, we prioritize each other without the other one explicitly asking. So for example, I'll tell you, he loves cooking and he's a non-vegetarian, I'm a vegetarian, and it's not like मुझे problem है इस चीज़ से, but he would not cook anything in the kitchen. Like when he cooks, it's always veg, and he wants to eat non-veg, he would either like order it or like eat it outside of the house. Although like I've made it clear, okay, I don't have any issues, but yeah, he just won't do it. Someone is on the door. So I think when you are with someone, these daily small things matter a lot more than the bigger gestures. Like, those bigger gestures aren't something that you do every day, but it's the everyday things that build up a relationship. And a lot of you also asked me, what does he do? He's a trader by profession. He trades energy markets, and his working hours are very weird, and that's why I think weekdays we don't get a lot of time together. Like in this setup, even after living together, it feels like, you know, I haven't seen him all week, because by the time he comes, I sleep off, and so maybe it is quite difficult to coordinate. But at the end of the day, you still have that comfort of being under the same roof. And yeah, I think that's already too much TMI. Oh, by the way, about the bell, my treadmill just got telephone. Okay, so as I said earlier, I'm on this fat loss journey, and how my routine looks like is I'm going to the gym 4 days at least. 5-6 तो हो जाए तो फिर बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है. But 4 days, that is strictly strength training, because I want to like eventually build muscles and then, you know, improve my metabolism. But then क्या हो रहा था कि on days when I was going to the gym, and जिम जाने आने में, वो सब करने में, इट्स 2.5 hour affair. वो भी जब मैं अपनी सोसाइटी के जिम जाऊँ. इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू दैट अदर जिम, इट टेक्स लाइक 20 minutes to just go. तो उसमें additional whatever 1 hour. And then if I'm working from home, I don't get the time to walk. Like even if I go for a 30 minutes walk, शाम में, रात में, whatever, I don't think it was enough, because I'm mostly sitting and I want to get on this 10K journey every day. And also the other thing about me is that I dread running. Which is so bad. I think I'm not proud of it, but I don't know, for some reason I'm just scared of running. But like, I want to get over that fear. And the weird part is I have never tried running. Like, I just dread it for no reason. And also because when I run, I look like Phoebe. I want to get into running. I want to sign up for marathons, because Kshitij, Vivek, all of them, they do marathons जब भी यहाँ पे होता है, and I am like, नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा, I'll not go. And they have tried so many times, but I've always like found a way out. So basically all this explanation, yes, I ordered a treadmill because I thought it will actually help. I can keep it under my desk. I can do like at least 500-600 steps every hour, so that it's not like मुझे 2 घंटे निकाल कर अलग जाना पड़ रहा है for 10K steps. And I didn't think much about it because, you know, I'm anything but lazy and I'm self-aware. So I also prefer walking outdoors, but the thing is, with my schedule, with my routine, that would not be sustainable कि मैं सुबह भी जाऊँ, शाम में भी जाऊँ, gym भी जाऊँ. I could do that for 1 week, 2 weeks, but उसके बाद I know I would not be able to sustain it for long. I think that way it would help me. Oh my god, it's 5. I'll clear this mess. I have to leave by 5:30. I think it would take me 2 hours easy. Treadmill, I think someone will come and set it up tomorrow. So आज I'll go for an outdoor walk, because आज I didn't go to the gym. So I went this week Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then I'll go tomorrow. Yeah, that's 4 days. And what? Oh, for dinner, I'm making this dahi bhindi. So Simran, she uploaded this recipe, I think 2 days back, and since then I've been dreaming about it, but I didn't get the time to make it. Today I'll make it. I'm sure it would taste amazing. I love bhindi. Okay, and also before you ask, this set is from Hunkamoller. So when you go to their website, it's like shorts is listed differently, the jacket is listed differently. So I actually got an ad on Instagram for the shorts, ठीक है? And I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I clicked on the link क्योंकि फोटो में वो बंदी दोनों ही पहनी है, तो I just placed the order, and then the order came and it was just the shorts. And मुझे तब भी realize नहीं हुआ. I was like, oh, they might have missed sending me the jacket, and I was like, I will raise a complaint. And then I opened the mail, and then I saw, oh, it's just the shorts. The next day I was wearing the shorts, and I just wore a white t-shirt over it. And Vivek said, oh, your shorts are very cute. And then I told him the story, and then he's so sweet, he ordered it for me. So this got delivered like 3-4 days ago. So now I have this whole set. But just in case you buy, don't do the same mistake. And yeah, chalo, I'll clean up the mess and I'll leave for the salon. But let me know how you guys like the video, and I'll see you soon.